Here we are at Contra Costa Power Sports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2007 Harley Davidson V Rod 1200. This thing is a super cool, customized Harley 1200 V Rod, only 5,400 miles, beautiful matte black finish with some really cool smoke highlights. Got the low handlebars, an awesome sounding Reinhardt exhaust system, LED taillight and turn signals. Come by, check it out, make your Harley V-Rod dreams come true for just $84.90 on consignment. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Yeah, baby. Thank you from Contra Costa Power Sports.